Hi everyone. We all very well know that we should always live in the present and should not worry much about future. But in terms of grammar, it's not possible. We have to think about future. I mean to say, we have to learn future tense. So here I am before you presenting future tense for task 1. So let's move further. In task 1, particularly, you get past tense questions more, but sometimes you get present and future tense also. So this is the vocab which we will use for studying future tense. Estimated, predicted, forecast, projected and anticipated. Normally when we use future tense, we use will. He will go there, he will study there. But when we talk about future tense in graphs, we have to show anticipations or predictions. It means श्योरिटी नहीं है कि ये होगा, बट अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है, जैसे वेदर फोरकास्ट में लगाया जाता है. So same rule has to be followed here. Will be used, but with these words. Okay. So in the next slide, we will see how to use these words in your sentences. So here the heading is future tense sentences. So your work is made very easy with the help of this table. Now you only have to do one change. In the first the table, you can see it is written predictions show that it will drop dramatically. So instead of it, you can add your subject. हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में अनियन प्राइजेस दिया हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में सेल ऑफ रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स दिया हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में सेल ऑफ टमेटोज दिया हो. सो यू कैन जस्ट फिट इन दैट. हो सकता है क्वेश्चन में रेट ऑफ जीडीपी दिया हो. So we can frame the sentences like this. Predictions show that tomato prices will drop dramatically. Expectations show that GDP rate will drop dramatically. Anticipations show that onion prices will drop dramatically. Similarly, you can use the portion in the pink color, the same sentence in a different style. Like, it is predicted that gold prices will drop dramatically. Now, what is the easiest part for you here is gold prices only has to be replaced. बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. अब गोल्ड प्राइजेस की जगह जो आपके क्वेश्चन में सब्जेक्ट दिया है आप वो फिट कर दें. It is predicted that sale of furniture will drop dramatically. It is expected that sale of hamburger will drop dramatically. Or it is predicted that visitors to the museum will drop dramatically. Dramatically shows how it will happen. Dramatically means काफी तेजी से. So here is our next slide which shows how to use these sentences. So this will be more clear to you. Predictions show, expectations reveal, it is predicted, it is expected. The sentence structure is same. You can see first two start with predictions or expectations and next to start with it is predicted, it is expected. So this will make your work quite easier. So now here are some Hindi to English translations which will make your task much easier. Forecast दिखाते हैं कि म्यूजियम में मेंबर्स का नंबर गिरेगा. तो इसका सीधा ट्रांसलेशन, forecast show that the number of members in the museum will decline. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, एस्टिमेशंस दिखाते हैं कि एडवांस बैच के स्टूडेंट्स अगस्त में बढ़ेंगे. तो sentence becomes estimations show that students of advanced batch will increase in August. Similarly, you have projections दिखाते हैं कि प्याज का दाम गिरेगा. So in the next slide you have projections show that the price of onions will decline. So this is how Hindi to English translations will make your task much easier. Some more. ऐसा एस्टिमेट किया गया है कि एडवांस बैच के स्टूडेंट्स अगस्त में बढ़ेंगे. सो इट इज एस्टिमेटेड दैट द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन एडवांस बैच विल इंक्रीज इन अगस्त. अब आप देख सकते हैं रेड पोर्शन में इट इज एस्टिमेटेड और विल है. ये शो कर रहा है कि दीज आर फ्यूचर टेंस वर्ड्स. मतलब अगर आपको फ्यूचर टेंस शो करना है तो आप इट इज एस्टिमेटेड का यूज करेंगे और विल का यूज करेंगे। सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट में है इट इज प्रोजेक्टेड, तो अगर आपको सेंटेंस फ्रेम करना है तो इट इज प्रोजेक्टेड और विल का यूज करना पड़ेगा इन फ्यूचर टेंस। Further, I am giving you some more practice for translations. So I have divided this into 3 sets. 3 sets means first 2 sentences are same, only the style of sentence is different. One is starting from projections and other is starting from ऐसा project किया गया है। Second में भी वही है, estimations, ऐसा estimate किया गया है। Third भी वही है, prediction दिखाते हैं, ऐसा predict किया गया है। तो आप इनको यूज करके यू कैन फ्रेम योर सेंटेंसेस। These are translations for practice part 2. You can try these sentences and the answers for this will be discussed in second video for future tense task 1. So till then, keep on working, keep on practicing and have a nice day. Thank you.